I think you hold a figure like Chief Keef accountable for his celebratory relationship to violence, but we don't do that in isolation to what is fundamentally a violent society. You can't hold Chief Keef accountable at the time, that the United States is engaged in two world wars, two wars that were, you can't hold Chief Keef accountable and not hold the NYPD accountable, for their stop and frisk tactics, right, which is another extension of violence. You can't hold Chief Keef accountable if you're not talking about a society, that allows assault weapons to be openly bought and sold, right? And sometimes from people who aren't mentally capable to have these weapons, who shoot people in movie theaters and elementary schools, in quote unquote small town America. I think if we're going to hold Chief Keef accountable, we have to hold violence across the board, all right? The celebration of violence across the board, right? We're in a society, we watch commercials for U.S. military services all the time. Right, and part of that is the celebrating of the use of violence to protect the idea of what American democracy is, right? To protect American economic interests. We understand all of that, right? But that doesn't happen, Chief Keef doesn't happen in a vacuum, right? It is in fact a response and a product of this larger celebration of violence in American society.